A gift card is like a digital present wrapped up in convenience. It's a prepaid card that holds a certain value, giving the lucky recipient the freedom to choose their own gift from your store. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a spontaneous gesture, gift cards are the perfect way to spread joy without the guesswork. And today, we're going to show you how to easily bring that joy to your WooCommerce store with the help of the WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Cards plugin. Let's dive in. Begin by installing and activating the plugin. You can find the download link in the description below. To initiate your first gift card setup, navigate to the Gift Card tab within the admin panel. Upon accessing the plugin, you'll encounter 5 tabs. Let's kick off by crafting a simple gift card product for your store. Head over to Gift Card Products. Here you will see a pre-built gift card, just don't mind, we will talk about that later. Now to create your first gift card product, click on Add New. The process is mostly similar to that of creating a normal product. Assign a name and description to your gift card and proceed to the Product Data section. You can preset the gift card with specific amounts or offer customers the flexibility to choose a custom one. If opting for predefined amounts, remember to specify them here. Additionally, you can set minimum and maximum values for gift card purchases, and if desired, allocate discounts on the gift cards. Next, select a shipping class for the gift card if applicable, or proceed to the Usage Restrictions tab. Here, you can impose various usage constraints on the gift card, such as limiting the gift card's use to selected products or categories, excluding specific products or categories from gift card redemption, setting a minimum cart subtotal for gift card redemption. After usage restrictions, you have the template settings. The customer can choose from any of the selected templates while purchasing the gift card. Once the templates are chosen, click on Publish to finalize the setup. And voila! Your gift card is now available in your store. Customers can effortlessly select an amount and enter recipient details. Upon successful payment, the gift card will be dispatched to the recipient. This merely scratches the surface of what the WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Cards plugin offers. To explore its full suite of features, return to the plugin dashboard and navigate to General Settings. Starting with the General tab, you can opt to enable or disable gift cards on your store. Disabling them will hide gift cards from customers. You can also customize how gift cards are shared with recipients, whether via email, printable format, or physical delivery. The selected options will be available in the store for the customer to choose from. If the email option is chosen, the recipient receives the gift card via email. If the Let Me Print option is chosen, a printable format of the gift card will be shared. If Send Physical Gift Card was selected, the customer wouldn't get the gift card in the mail. Instead, the store owner can print the gift card from the order page and send it as a physical product. Next, you have the scheduling settings. By default, gift cards are sent to recipients upon purchase. Enabling a scheduling option allows customers to specify a future delivery date. Then, you can set an order status to generate gift cards, with completed being a popular choice for auto-generation upon order completion. Then you have gift card usage settings. You can choose to apply the gift card before or after calculating the tax. Additionally, you have the option to allow gift card usage with other coupons, enable purchases of gift cards with other gift cards, and set expiry dates for generated gift cards. Moving on to the Product Page tab, you can tailor the appearance of the gift card product page. You can customize the page title, template section title, and how to send title. And down here you can set data collection preferences. The recipient email field is compulsory. Now go to the Template Settings tab to choose a gift card template. The Categorize Templates checkbox is enabled by default, organizing templates into 5 categories: General, Birthday, New Year, Anniversary, and Christmas. The selected templates will be displayed on the front end. To add a new template, click the plus icon. From here you can upload a new template image to one of the categories, or you can create an all-new category if you want to. Additionally, you can enable users to upload gift card images and set a maximum file size restriction. Now, move on to the Email Settings tab. Enable this option to attach the gift card as a PDF file in the email, which requires the free PDF add-on by WebToffee. Click on the link to download the add-on. After installing the add-on, enable the option. Proceed to the Send Product as a Gift tab. This feature allows customers to send a gift card attached to a specific product. On enabling this option, a Gift This Product option is added to product pages. On clicking the option, the user can send the product as a gift card. Upon purchasing the gift card, the recipient receives an email with a gift card of the same value as the suggested product, along with product details. The recipient can use the gift card for the suggested product, or utilize it like a regular gift card to purchase any preferred product or service. You can exclude products or categories from this feature. To display a small description above the Gift This Product button, enter it here. Use the button text field to replace the text on the button. To identify the gift card product from the cart or checkout page, you can add an identifier here. The %S is a placeholder for the product name, so keep it there. The text entered here will be displayed as a title in the recipient email. Finally, click on Save to save the changes. Now, let's go to the Send Gift Card tab. From here, you can send gift cards directly to your customers. Choose a template, specify a credit amount, recipient email, and sender name. Optionally, add a gift card message and caption. If you wish to recommend any products on the gift card, select them from here. You can set usage restrictions, such as allowing or excluding certain products or categories for the gift cards to be used, maximum usage amount, and expiration days. Click Send Email to send the gift card. Whether it's a digital or physical gift card, here's how a customer can redeem it. Each gift card comes with a unique code. Users can copy this code and use it like a regular coupon. The gift card can be redeemed multiple times until its total amount is exhausted. Alternatively, you can add the amount to your store credit balance, which acts like a wallet. Instead of remembering the gift card code, you can redeem the gift card into this wallet and use it whenever needed. To redeem the gift card, navigate to My Account and select Store Credit. Paste the code and hit Redeem. You'll see your store credit balance updated accordingly. And you can use this balance on purchases from the Checkout tab. Now, visit the Manage Store Credits tab to manage the store credits. Click View Details to check credit balances for each customer, including used store credit, expired credit, total acquired, and available balance. From the Credit Balance, you can add or remove user credit seamlessly. And there you have it. You're now fully prepared to create your first gift card product. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.